Lesson 4, expected learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to. Let's read. Activity 1, Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4. Let's read. Activity 6, Wardrobe. Let's do Activity 7. Activity 7. If I were a bird, I would sing a song and fly about the whole day long, and when the night come, go to rest up my cozy little nest. Activity 7. Activity 9. 8. Activity 9. Let's talk. Look at the picture and say. Activity 10. Self check. Let's read. Activity 1. Activity 2. Activity 3. Activity 4. Activity 5. Activity 6. Activity 7.